Hey guys, it's J.A.HAUNTS, and today in this video we will be setting up, unboxing, and doing a demo of Spirit Halloween's new for 2022, Monty. Let's get into it. Okay, so this guy is 6 feet, and surprised that they could fit a 6-foot monkey into this small box. It's like really small. My box is a little damaged. But it's fine. I also decided to try something new with the lighting here. So right when you open the box, you have the instructions right here. You're gonna need these, so we'll set these to the side. Then you get this neck piece right here, right there. You're gonna set that to the side. I think these are the arms pieces, 2 of those. Those to the side. We've got the motor, which we've already got. Well, not we've already got, but here's the motor. It looks very nice right there. Smaller motor than I thought it would be. Then right here we have the cloth that goes on the box, the bottom. Box. We've got the sound box right here. I don't know if we'll be able to pull that out right now, but it's right here. Oh, there we go. Pulled it out right there. It's right there. Sorry if you can't see up here a little bit. We just got this pole right here. Set that to the side. We've got the feet right here. Sorry for the notification, that's from Instagram. We got this foot, which I think is the right. Then I think the left foot right here. Right here. So then next we've got another pole right here. Then we've got, oh my gosh, the head is heavy. Holy. We've got the head right here. It is big. Let's just, all right, please be a good model. Please be a good model. It is. Holy crap. Let's look at this head. Look at this. Look at that. Thank God mine doesn't have a jaw piece that's off. But that is, I've seen Monty in person, of course, at the flagship, but I did not know his head was this big. Oh my gosh. Wow. So we're gonna put this off to the side too. And then we've got, I did not know this, but the hands are on the cymbals. Let's see if we have good cymbals. This one looks good so far. Because, you know, some of them are bent. Most of them are bent. Okay. This one isn't bent much. It's kind of bent right there. But, you know, that's usual. It's not as bad as the other models, actually. That's really good. Thought this was like latex plastic kind of thing. But guess not. We've got this hip piece, I think, and then we've gotten the adapter right here, which we'll set to the side, and then we've gotten the inside of the box. I don't know why I'm talking like that. I'll try to get this out off camera. It's zip tied, I think, to the bottom, maybe. I don't know, mine's just in there, but I'll get this off camera. So yeah, all right, let's cut to the setup. Okay, so this prop, so I don't know, but what is up with this head? Because it is like bigger than all my other animatronics head. Like 38, I think. But yeah, so let's just get into this. Just make sure we have this the right way. A is for, yep. All right. So we're going to start with, sorry about that pole falling. We're going to start with the clothes, not the clothes, the bottom to the box. Just clothes are in here. Sorry if the camera's a little tilted. It's just, I don't know if this goes, I don't know what those are for. Those might just be for the arms. Just gonna set that over to the side. And then this is, oh my God, these clothes are huge. But we're gonna set that over to the side. Clothes are really nice. But we have this box cover. So it's saying for us to just put this around to this piece right here. So YouTube channel, his YouTube channel is Happy Haunting. I saw he had like these lights for Halloween, and found out where they were from. He actually recently made a video on it, so I just got some because they are really cool. Yeah, that's what you see in this video. So this is kind of hard to go on. We're just gonna restart doing that. But let's just, okay. I can't believe I'm setting up a 6-foot monkey. But let's just put this on. Mine is a little bit of a pain. I don't know if this was anyone else's. Oh, that's the front. So, yeah, wait, I had it the right way. Okay, I will cut to when I have this on. So, yeah, I'll cut to that. Okay, so we have the box on now. Now we are going to put on C and B, which are the legs. So looks like C is going to go in the front. Let's put that in the front right here. Oh crap, you guys can't see it that well. It's fine, you will in a minute. There's a piece right there. I don't know what's, hopefully we can figure out. We need to use a flashlight real quick, my phone, just to see if I did this right or not. Need to find the clip that goes on. Oh, there it is. So we are just going to put that in like that. Let's just snap my finger. But there we go. We have one in. Now we're gonna put B in. Now, also sorry about if the mic's bad or anything. It probably isn't, but I'm just saying that because it might be. But we've gotten to put, have to put this. Wonder if it's in the same spot. It is pretty much. So we're just going to figure this out. Put it in. Great. About there. I think we have it in. There we go. So now we have that in. We'll set this right here. And now we've got to put K on to B, which is this back one, which is the feet. So okay, there we go. The feet, so people might be worried about this in stores. Even if they're hanging off, it won't mean the prop will fall. I got worried about that in stores, but when I saw that he had these leg pieces, I wasn't worried about it anymore. And then I think L went on the C. Oh, my flashlight turned off. Now we've got to put the pants on, which is S right here. How do we put them on? We just slide them down? I guess we do. Which these are like the tight pants. I think these easier ones to put on. How do we just literally slide it down? I don't think it matters which piece or which side goes on which, but I'm just gonna put it this because it looks like it's the front. Normally people would think that it's a pain to put these pants on. It's really not. It's like the easiest to probably put on. There the pants are. Maybe slide those down just a little bit more. Once we're done here, I'm gonna tilt the camera up a little bit because he's getting a little tall. Once we're done with that, we are going to put these pieces on. So Q right here. I don't know exactly. Okay, so we slide that down. All right, I see it. So wait, which way? I think we put shorty. Yep. All right. So we're gonna slide the pants down just a little bit more. I think these are just to make it look more real. So Monty looks like really real, and oh, I accidentally just pulled that side of the pants off. It's fine. It's pretty easy to just go back on. I just need to do the same with this side. And I just need to put this on. And I do have another animatronic coming pretty soon onto the channel, which is Smoldering Ghoul. And he is 7.5 feet. He's from Menards. Monty's obviously from Spirit, Halloween. Holy crap, why is this so hard? I think the tighter it gets on each side. So if you can barely see me in the shot, it's just that. You gotta go out here so I can get these on. Someone texted me. So once we put this on, and actually a bunch of people got yesterday the Widow, so that's cool. She is very creepy. And Smoldering Ghoul, he's from Menards, 7.5 feet. He is a huge one. He is 6 feet, so foot and a half off from Smoldering. Next we've got to put D, which is that the, yep, this is this right here. So we're going to put that on second. I'm gonna put it on now. Why did we put this? You know what? This is what we're gonna do. So these leg pieces in here, we're gonna take them off for now, even though they tighten it a little bit, make it look more realistic. We're gonna take them off right now, just because they aren't really working out, and we're gonna need to put some stuff on it. If this one will come off. Wait, is that the pants? That's literally the pants, not. All right, I'm gonna just do this off camera, so yeah. Okay, so we have this piece on now, and let's just follow with the directions. Let's, yeah, we gotta do this piece. I forgot that we were doing that. Which this piece just goes like this, kind of torso piece. So we're just going to slide this in like this, right here, like that. And then we will put F on, which F, I think, is the motor. Yes, the motor is F. So we are going to put this on this way. So let's just do this. I think this is his height. Maybe, maybe not. But then after that, we've got to put on G, which G is this piece right here, the neck piece. He is getting pretty tall. Oh, I gotta tilt that camera up a bunch. So yep, there we go. I might need a mini ladder in a second. I'm short. So let's just peel this off more, and we will put G on. Oh my gosh, he is high. So if we just put this on right here, that, if that will go on, that will go in. If it won't in the next 1 minute, then we will cut for it to be on, because editing. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to cut and put that on, and maybe just give myself a little ladder, because he's getting pretty tall, and once I have the head on, he will be really tall. So yeah, I'll cut to that. Okay, so we just got this on up here. Let me just make sure my mic is on real quick. There we go. One. Okay, so now we have that neck piece on up here. So now it's saying for us to just put the clothes on through, just on, not close the shirt, but whatever, whatever it's called. I did get a ladder a second ago. So we are putting the shirt on up here. So we're just going to put that down a little bit, down on to here. I think there we go. That's straightened out. Yep, and after we do the clothes, we will put thread it through over here. Hopefully you guys can still see me a little bit. Actually, we're gonna do it differently than they say on the instructions. Instead of threading it through, we're just gonna put it up here. Here. Actually, nah, we're gonna thread it through. Screw my idea. We're gonna thread this through. The second one I will cut to because I'm not sure if you guys want to see this multiple times. Okay, this is whoever made Monty's instructions. Next time, please do a little better. I'm not listening to what they're telling me to do on the instructions anymore. I'm just gonna do it my own way. We are going to put I up here. This is actually an easier way. Hopefully, what the heck? Okay. I think it was just on the instructions wrong, but J is supposed to go on the side. I was putting I through. So we just gonna put J onto this side. I think it's the other way. Yeah, it is. And all right, there we go. Now we are going to put the shirt back up on it. And my mic is doing good. This is a little extra, but it's an easier. And if this doesn't work, I'll just cut to. When it does work, yeah, I'll just cut to when I have the shirt on because that will be easier. So yeah, let me just stop this real quick. Okay, so next we are going to put the symbols and hands on, which is mainly his part. So we're going to spread the arms out somehow. Put these on like this. Hopefully this is correct. Yeah, it looks like it's correct. Same with O right here. Right here. And oh my god. I'm gonna put the right side in first, then the left. I feel like on this prop, it's more spread out than each side. I feel like right is spread out more than left. And then once we have that on, we're gonna put the mouth on. Or not the mouth, what am I talking about? The head. And Monty, we just got wire him up, which I will do off camera. Monty will be set up. This head is actually really heavy. Alright, there we go. We're putting it in like that. That will go in. I know it's not in yet. Hasn't gone through, hasn't threaded through all the way. But once we do have it, then Monty will be pretty much set up, except for the wiring, which I gotta do off camera. And here we go, we're putting it down. I don't know if that's supposed to thread through that way. or not. You know, let's just test that real quick. Test that durability. I think it's pretty good. Let's just see if it looks fine from the front, which I should probably put this up more to our 6-foot monkey. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do the wiring, then I will cut to the demo. We're gonna turn the lights to red for the demo and turn everything off. So yeah, all right, I'll cut to that. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching me unbox, set up, and do a demo of Spirit Halloween's new for 2022, Monty. I will see you guys next time. Tomorrow, unboxing Smoldering Ghoul. Monty is huge. I feel like his head is so big. So yeah. Alright, bye.